everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video it's a collab with Lizzie and we're going to be testing out this blue Vortex palette by XX Revolution. We're testing all of them out and then we're going to let you know which one our favourite is. There's no names to these shades, so I'll just point to them. We're going to be doing like a festival glam eye look, just using this blue palette. So let's jump straight into the video and let's have some fun with some makeup. So I'm going to go into this like blue, light blue just here, and I've already prepped my eyes with the P. Louise eye base, and I'm just going to apply that blue into like above the crease if I can, and bringing it quite high up. I don't know how this is going to perform, but we'll definitely see. I can't wait to like use the rest of them and obviously know which one my favourite is, and Lizzie's favourite. I'll be interested to know which one Lizzie likes. I was actually meant to start filming like an hour ago, but Lizzie girl, we get speaking and then next thing I know, an hour later, I'm still speaking to her like crap. I meant to film like ages ago. The next shade I'm going to go into is this blue here. So yeah, definitely go and check Lizzie out. Like I said, she's very close to being monetized, so you guys would do her a great favour by going and checking her out. So I'm just placing this blue very like roughly into my crease. I'm just pushing it in, not really concentrating too much because I'm going to blend this out and what I'm going to film, and I'm super excited for the month of Feb, guys. Like, I've got some really good videos coming. This palette's beautiful, like it is really stunning, and I never actually said there is quite a decent amount of mattes, but there is more shimmers. Again, this is a very shimmer heavy palette. I'm also blending this out with the Morphe 441, and I tapped that deep blue shade in with a Chloe Morton MUA Pro brush. Sorry, what am I doing? It's because I'm chatting, not telling you guys what I'm using. Oops. That Chloe Morton MUA Pro brush onto this like deep green shade here. Actually, I'm going to take this Chloe Morton MUA Pro brush, this little like pencil brush here, just because I really want to deepen it up right on the crease.
And right on the inner corner.
I wonder what look Lizzie's going to do with the blues. I know we spoke about like festival vibes, so I'm interested to know, because Lizzie quite like suits like the darker, like she will really suit that dark green, I think. So I really think that's going to call Lizzie's name, so definitely go and check out if I got that right. I'm going to go into this like deep green here. And I'm going to spray it with some MAC Fix Plus, just because I feel like that'll give me the look that I want, where it's a bit more
piercing on the eyes.
Yeah, that's applied stunningly with that MAC Fix Plus. Really nice.
I'm just bringing it up a tad bit higher, although you don't have to.
You know what, this might be one of my favourite palettes from them, because I've loved the way them blues have applied and built up really nicely. Even that green was super stunning, and these shimmers are absolutely, like this shimmer is absolutely amazing. Like I've had no issues at all like putting this on. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this Chloe Morton MUA Pro brush. I had a Morphe one, it's currently over there with my dirty brushes that need to be washed. if you guys had seen my Bose Beauty kind of haul, I'm going to go in with, I've got a pink, I've got a purple, and I've got a yellow. You know, I'm going to go in with this yellow, which I think is called Daffodil, but I got it, I haven't used this one yet. So let's just use my little thermal water. Quite a nice wing with this. So that is how the yellow's looking. I'm going to apply some lashes off camera, do my other eye, and then I'm going to come back and then we'll do like my gems together and a lippy, and I think I want to just maybe apply some funky highlighters. Hello everyone, so I'm back. Obviously you can see I did my other eye, I did the lime green on that side, and I've just applied some lashes. We're going to go and do my under eye and then we're going to apply the gems and have some fun. I'm going to go into this like Amazon brush here, and I'm going to take this red shade here. It might look crazy, but you know what, we're just going to have some fun with makeup. So on this Chocolate Revolution box set brush, it looks like this. I'm going to take this mauvey pink here, red, and I'm just going to go really tight in the underneath the eye with this. I don't know if it's going to have my Too Faced Better Than Sex, and we're just going to do my bottom lashes. And then just for the gems, I've got these Metal Glam ones. These are from Primark. You guys can see the price. It was £2. And I'm just going to apply them to my face. This is like a festival fun look, or like an 80s party or something like that.
You just place this kind of like here. Okay, so when you obviously do it, don't do it hard, don't build the hair there. And work from the top your way down just to get it all into place, but that looks super cute. And then I'm going to grab the other side. And then there's like this last middle bit, which I'm going to grab. And I'm going to place this here, just in the middle of my forehead. Just going to have to face there.
So this is how it's looking. You know what, this is super cute. I probably wouldn't wear this bit just because it's quite thick, but this you can, like, you can't even tell it's here, and this has been sat in my drawer for so long. So I know you can definitely pick these up around festival time. I don't know if it's going to be this exact one. It just says the Primark Metal Glam. I think for my lips, we're going to try this Revolution Make Me Crazy. It looks like so. And then like that, just because I really want it to be bright, fun, festival-y. So I'm just going to apply this all over. I'm really excited to see what Lizzie does with, like, because I know she has a lot of gems and she wanted to use them all up. But guys, please go and check her out and watch the video. She's super lovely. We've gotten so close over the last few weeks. We speak all the time and she so deserves to be monetised. I mean, her makeup collection is amazing, and I know she's really trying to put out I know Lizzie is really trying to like go through her makeup collection and review stuff that's like sat in your drawers that you think, oh, I bought this a while ago but just haven't played with it. Things like that. So definitely go and check her out. She's so lovely. She's got a heart of gold. Her makeup collection's amazing. The makeup that she does is amazing. So definitely check her out. But the lip gloss, sorry, that I used is the Nightmare Before Christmas, the Revolution one in the shade Sally. It's like this. I think I might have used it before in a tutorial, but it's like this pink one. I don't know, I just feel like it all goes together and it's super like festival-y, like whimsical, just cute. Overall, I really enjoy these palettes. I do think they're worth the money, and to be honest, this is such a beautiful blue palette with pops of colour. Like obviously that's super stunning. It's got this to kind of blend it in with. It's got this really nice green, which I don't know if I actually have this in another one of my collections, so it's nice to have that option. It's got a silver and it's got some pops of blues. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you have enjoyed my makeup tutorial today. I'm trying to get as much content out for you as possible. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it anyways, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!